we're going to take a little closer look at the Weasel here. Here's the seat back. We don't really need to see that. And here's what's left of the original seat bottom. Nothing but a bunch of springs left. That can be duplicated. I have the original perimeter wire and then the height of the springs. That's easy. Hog rings. The biggest issue is going to be all of this rot. On these hat channels here. And I forgot to buy dog food. Let's interrupt just for a moment. I forgot to buy dog food for my winged friends. Now they're up in the tree complaining that I'm not feeding them. Market later, so I'll get some dog food. Okay, back to the Weasel. So, I'm not really too concerned right now that that it's being left open to the weather and the rain, because all this is going to be replaced. These are the control rods, or the control arms that control steering. Pull the right one, the right track slows or stops, and you turn right. Same thing here. We can see, let me turn the camera around this way. We can see that one is broken, completely rusted in two. So, without pulling the engine cover off and showing what's under the fuel tank and the battery boxes, pretty much we can see the same tragedy is what happens to these vehicles. It's just rusty crap. But back in the day, boy, they were extremely useful. This one's going to be extremely useful again when I finish with it. Got a guy named Rob in Idaho who sent me this box. I found Rob on a website, Project Plow, the International Studebaker Weasel Forum. Patrick Tipton of Portrayal Press started this forum. There was a Weasel forum once before, M-29.org I think it was, but it ran its course and kind of died out. And then Patrick took over. Now, for somebody that made up some important pieces, he went the extra mile and put a rabbit in the lid of this box. I mean, come on, really? That's pretty damned awesome. What's in the box is a complete hat channel kit. I need my razor knife. There it is. Look at that. Wow, that's 16 or 14 gauge steel. One of the two. It's pretty damned heavy. In our conversations, he told me that he had taken the measurements from original Weasel plans and made up enough sets in the kit to fix all four sides. Well, both sides, fore and aft of the major bulkhead, the center bulkhead. This was last kit of 2 he had left. I doubt he's going to make any more. I think he said he made like 30 or 35 altogether. It was expensive, you know, and I'm smart and I can figure out angles and stuff like that. Oh man. But you see, without the proper plans, I would have trouble making that little radius corner and make it look nice. Oh my God. That whole corner down in there is perfect. Yeah, you guys can see that. Wow. Thanks, Rob. I'm so thrilled to have this. God, that's going to make life so much easier. How awesome. Yeah. Excellent. So there's the hat channel kit. I wanted to break it open and show you guys what's in there. And now I'm going to get some drywall screws and screw the lid shut and stack it on its end in the mess. And not the mess hall or the chow hall, in the mess. So thanks for watching this video. Later.